What's up guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I will show you a really neat thing that I recently learned. That being how to add multiple effects in Audacity without clicking on each effect individually onto your audio recording by clicking just one button, which really speeds up the process when you need to edit a lot of videos. Also, before we get started, if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe. It's completely free, but it really helps out the channel. So when I edit my audio, I usually apply a lot of effects on it right here. I change the pitch a bit, I normalize it, and I denoise it. So when you're making your videos frequently, this can get quite repetitive. But I found a solution on how you can do this with just one click. But first, you need to of course set it up. So Audacity has this thing called macros. And macros can be used to apply effects onto your audio recording in a specific sequence. So let me show you how you can do it. We will first need to create a new macro, and we do it by going to Tools right here and going to Macros. So as you can see, here are my macros. The first two are the ones that you get with Audacity, so the default ones that I did not create, and the third one I created. And here you can see the order in which these effects are applied to the audio recording. So to create a new macro, you would need to press New right here and just assign it a name, let's say YouTube. Then press OK. And your empty macro has been created. As you can see, there are no commands on this macro currently. So to add a command, you need to click on Edit and then select your first command. So let's say that your audio is a bit quiet and the first command that you want to input would be to normalize the audio. So you will just slide here and go to the letter N. This list goes alphabetically, so I will just slide until I can see the letter N. So I will just click on Normalize, and here you can see your normalization settings. So I have it set at -3.1 decibels, and if you're happy with that, you can click OK. So now you have successfully added the first command in your command sequence for this specific macro. Now to add a second one, click on Edit again, and let's for example click on Click Removal. OK. Now you have your second effect right here. Now let's just add a random third one, like chirp, and click Save. So now you have saved your YouTube macro, you can click Close, and all we need to do now is simply apply it to this audio right here. So you would need to mark the audio by clicking on it, then go to Tools, and then hover over the Apply Macros tab and select your newly created macro. So now you can see Audacity applying all the effects onto your audio recording. Because we didn't add a lot of effects, it only took a few seconds. So that's how you can apply your own sequence of audio editing effects in Audacity without clicking on each effect individually and applying it that way. So if you like this streamlined process of adding the effects and you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Also, if you want to support the channel further, don't forget to check out my Buy Me a Coffee link in the description below. Thank you for watching.